Hi guys, we've got a brand new product launch here at Pimp My EV that we just want to show you real quick. This is a sunglasses holder, brand new, that's just launched on the website. You will see it listed on the website right now. And we just wanted to do a really quick video to show you what it looks like and what it does. It's the most integrated one so far. And I'll just do a quick unboxing. This is what the box looks like. And inside we have a little cellophane wrapping. I'm just doing this with one hand because I'm holding the camera with the other one. So just as a really quick unboxing, this is what it looks like. The finish is really cool. It's matched to the interior of your Tesla. It looks super integrated. It goes behind your sunglasses. Oh, sorry, rear view mirror. Apologies. It goes behind your rear view mirror. And it's got a push and pull open clasp, so just press it, opens, press it again, closes. And so let's just have a quick look inside. And if you open it up here, it has felt lining inside it, so it protects your glasses from any scratches or anything like that. Very smooth and very soft. Let's close it up. And it comes with some 3M tape, so it attaches to your car. And it's also got these clips that attach right inside here. So what we'll do is we'll do a quick install. I'm not going to do the 3M tape here for this video just yet, but let me show you how easy it is to put it on. So you just hold it up like this and push it in place. There you go, and there you go. It's attached. Well, the 3M tape is going to do a better job of holding it in place, but as far as installing it goes, it's super simple. This is what it looks like from the front. Doesn't block anything. Looks very integrated. Looks like it came with the car, to be honest. Really good. The fitting is perfect. And yeah, so let's try to put some sunglasses in here. This is my trusty Ray-Bans that I use for driving. Sorry, police, not Ray-Bans. Apologies for that. Let's put it in here. There you go. It's going to hold them in place. I think it even has space for maybe one more set of glasses up here. So if you have reading glasses or something, you can put them in the back here somewhere. But yeah, there you go. This is what it looks like. Really cool. And we're super excited to launch this product. It's available right now on the website, shipping worldwide, works for both left-hand drive and right-hand drive cars. So go ahead and purchase it if you wish. You won't be disappointed. Thank you.